Hello again from OGS Mechanics. We have another interesting job in today, a Mercedes CLS 219 chassis with a delay in starting. We have run, as we start the job, we have run a diagnostic. We had no faults, and what we have done, we proceed with live data reading, and by doing so we have noticed one very important aspect. The starting speed was lower than what it should exactly be. So in here, this is the engine speed. While turning, we should expect anything around over 200 RPM. And this situation, as it can be seen, it barely reaches 135. From here onwards, we have checked the battery and the cables, the leads from the battery to the starter module. All have found to be okay, and this has concluded in a starter motor issue. Every diagnostic requires different procedure in order to conclude a fault. This is what we do, and we thought this is very interesting to show you also. Thanks for watching.